Buying a bus ticket. On Tuesday morning, Emma is at home. Her bag is on the kitchen table. Her wallet is beside the bag. She puts her phone, a bottle of water, and a small notebook into the bag. Today, Emma wants to visit her brother in the next town. She does not have a car, so she will take the bus. She checks the time on the clock. It is 8:30. The bus leaves at 9. Emma walks out of the house and closes the door. The sky is blue, but there is a small cloud over the road. She carries her bag on one shoulder and walks to the bus stop near the corner. At the bus stop, there is a bench, a sign, and a schedule. The sign says Town Center. Emma looks at the schedule. The next bus comes in 10 minutes. She sits on the bench and opens her wallet. Inside the wallet, she has money, a card, and a small photo. She wants to buy one ticket to Green Street. She is not sure about the price, so she looks at the screen on the ticket machine. The screen shows 3 choices: single ticket, day ticket, and student ticket. Emma needs only one ride, so she chooses single ticket. She puts 2 coins into the machine. The machine makes a short sound, and a paper ticket comes out. Emma takes the ticket and puts it in her hand. The ticket is small and white. It has the time, the bus number, and the stop name on it. Emma smiles because she bought the ticket by herself. Soon the bus arrives. It stops beside the curb. The door opens, and Emma steps inside. The driver looks at the ticket and nods. Emma smiles and walks to a seat near the window. The bus is not full. A red bag rests on one seat. A student reads a book near the window. Emma sits down and puts her bag on the seat beside her. The bus moves slowly through the street. It passes a bakery, a market, and a small park. At the crosswalk, the bus stops. Emma looks out of the window and sees a dog near a tree. After 15 minutes, the bus reaches the station. A blue bag appears near the door. Emma checks her ticket again. She wants to be sure she is on the right bus. The ticket says Green Street, and the screen at the front says Green Street too. Emma feels calm now. She puts the ticket into her notebook, so she will not lose it. Then she drinks a little water from her bottle and looks at the road. At the next stop, a blue bag rests near the door. A soft voice asks, "Is this bus going to Green Street?" Emma looks at the screen and answers, "Yes, it is." The blue bag moves to the seat across from Emma. Emma feels happy because she can help someone with a simple answer. 10 minutes later, the bus turns left near a coffee shop. Emma sees the Green Street sign. She presses the stop button and stands near the door. She holds her bag, her notebook, and her ticket. The bus stops. Emma says thank you to the driver and steps onto the sidewalk. Her brother is waiting near a bench with a cup of coffee in his hand. "You found the right bus," he says. Emma laughs. "Yes, and I bought the ticket too." They walk together down Green Street. Emma keeps the ticket in her notebook and puts the notebook into her bag. Her wallet is safe beside the bottle of water. Near the bench, a coffee cup sits on a small table. A road sign points toward the station behind them. Emma stops for a moment and checks her bag again. The notebook, wallet, bottle, ticket, and phone are all inside. The station sign is behind her, and the street is quiet. It is only a small paper ticket, but for her it feels like a small success.